I'm Rhys, I'm 10, and I'm a defender, and I play for Brumble Lodge, and I'm today's junior journal.
Yeah, Rhys, right, mate?
Right.
Looking forward to it?
Yeah.
Gonna join in a bit?
Yeah.
Alright, lovely. Nice one, guys. See you later.
I just shook hands with Hal Robson Canoe. I just shook hands with Hal Robson Canoe. Right.
I'll make your first.
Yeah. Right.
Nice boots.
Thank you. Right.
All black, I like that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I felt weird tying your laces next to Ashley Williams. You right?
How you doing? What's
Good.
your name?
Rhys.
Rhys, where you from?
Wrexham.
Wrexham. Wrong way.
Yeah.
That's why I like black boots. Good old fashioned black boots. You know, everybody's got red boots and green boots, haven't they? Can't beat black boots. You play?
Yeah.
What position?
I'm centre back.
Yeah, centre back, big shoulders. Like I was when I was young. Centre back. Enjoy, son.
Thank
Good
you.
day.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. That's how we pass round. On the head. Yeah!
Yeah. So baffling. I'm like right here on the FAWales training pitch. Chris, do you think Chris Coleman will be here after 2018 World Cup campaign?
I don't know. I think he's done a really good job for us. I think if you asked every player, we'd say, yeah, we'd love him to stay, definitely. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You right?
You alright?
Who's the best at FIFA?
It's out of me and probably Ben Davies.
Who has the worst music sense?
Probably myself. Put it out there.
Who was your football hero growing up?
Probably say Zola. Do you remember him?
No?
Gianfranco Zola. He used to play for Chelsea.